Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is compound interest. So friend, read this question very carefully and try to solve it. So question is, what will be the compound interest for the sum of Rs 8000? Okay, after 3 years at the rate of 5% per annum. So given data is principal is 8000 and time duration is 3 years and rate of interest is 5%. So see on the board, principal is 8000, right? And rate of interest is 5%. Time duration is 3 years. We need what would be compound interest, right? So see here, our principal is 8000, right? We need of 3 years, 1 year, 2 year and 3 years at 5%. So at 5% interest will be first year 400, right? Because percentage cancel and 8 5 is 40 and 10 here, so will be here. Second year come also 400, but compound interest is a interest one interest. Okay, compound interest just a interest one interest. So we have 8000 of 400, right? We need also of 400 at 5%. So at 5% will be 0 cancel and 5 for the 20, right? Now in 3 years 400, okay, and we need interest on interest. So 20 will be one this amount, also this amount will be 20, but here it will be also 120 at 5%. So 20 by 5 by 100, 0 and 0 cancel, 4 to the 20, sorry 5 to the 10 and 2 to cancel, so this will be 2. Okay, so this total area is our compound interest, right? So add it 400 400 and 400 will be 1200, right? Will be 1200. 20 20 20 60 plus 2 62. So add it. So compound interest is 1262. So our compound interest is 1262. Friends, please see once again here. Our principal is 8000, right? We need at 5%. So first year will be 400 at 5%. Second year will be also 400 at 5%. But compound interest is a interest one interest. So 400 at 5% will be 20. Similarly, third year 20 will be from come, 20 will be come from here and 2 will be come from here. So total compound interest is 1262. If they ask what will be amount, so amount is just a principal plus compound interest. So principal is 8000, right? And plus 1062, so will be 2 6 and again 2 and 9. So amount will be 9260, but we need only what is compound interest. So our answer is 1262, right? So friends, move to question number 2. Second question is, Rahul invested Rs at the rate of 10% per annum 1 year. If the interest compounded half yearly, then find the total amount received by Rahul at the end of the year. Rahul invested Rs 16,000. So his principal is 16,000, right? And rate of interest is 10% per annum. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. Time is 1 year. Okay, 1 year only. And question saying then find the total amount received by Rahul at the end of the year, compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly means 6 months and 6 months. So number of month is 2. Okay, and this is a PS, so half yearly will be 5%. Now 16,000 1 6 month and 2 6 months, so draw 2 lines at 5%, right? So at 5% will be 800, and second 6 month will be also come 800. So compound interest is interest on interest, so interest is 800. So 800 at 5% will be 8 5 40, right? And 00 cancel, so will be 40. So total this area is our compound interest. So 800 plus 800 will be 16, and 16 plus 40 will be 1640. So compound interest is 1640. We need what is the amount. So amount is principal plus compound interest. So 0 4 6 and 1 will be 7. 1 second, 6. Okay, and 7. So our answer amount will be 17,640. So amount is 17,640. Option number C. Option number C is correct, right? Here's once again, friend. Principal is given 16,000, right? Rate of interest is 10% per annum, but question asking half yearly, means half yearly will be 5%. This is a 10% is per annum, but we need half yearly, so divide by 2, so will be 5%, right? And time duration is 1 year, so half yearly means 2 6 months, so 2 6 months for 1 year. So draw 2 lines, because here number of year will be 2, number of 2, so draw 2 lines. So it will be at 5% 800 interest, and second year will be interest 1 interest, so it comes 800 from 16,000, and 40 comes 800. So total area is 1640. Total amount will be at this area, so will be 1640. So our answer is, we need what will be total amount. This is a compound interest. We need what will be total amount. Total amount is 17,640. So move to question number 3. Third question is, a sum of Rs 40,000 is invested for 18 months at 20% per annum on compound interest. If the interest is compounded half yearly, what will be the interest to be paid? So here once again, here A sum of Rs 40,000 is invested for 18 month. 18 month means 6 month. 6 month is just a half year. So 6, 6, 6. So number of year will be 3. Principal is given 40,000, right? And rate of interest is 10%, 20%, right? And time is given 18 month. So we convert it 3 6 month, right? 6, 6, 6 will be 18 months. So time duration is, time number of time is just a 3. So it will be solved question very helpful. 40,000 is our principal. So draw 3 lines because 3 6 month here, and rate of interest will be 10% because this is a half yearly, right? So it will be calculate at 10% of 40,000. So 40,000 will be of 10%, 4,000. Second year will become interest 4,000, but compound interest is comes interest on interest. So 40,000 comes 400, and also it will come from this interest. So what will be 10% of 4,000? It will be 400. Okay, and third year it will come 4,000 on this amount, but compound interest is interest on interest. So also it will come from here 400 because 4,000 at 10% it will come 400. Also from here come 400, and also it will come from here. So what will be 400 of 10%? It will be 0 0 cancel, so 40. So 8 total this area 4,000 4,000 4,000, it will be 12,000. Okay, 400 400 and 400, so 12,000 plus 1,200 plus 40. So this is our compound interest, right? So 0 4 2 3 and 1. So 13,240 it is our compound interest. Question asking what will be the interest to paid. So compound interest is 13,240. If they ask what is amount, so amount will be 40,000 plus compound interest 13,240. So it will be 0 4 2 3 and 5. So total amount is 15,240. Okay friends, see here once again, principal is 40,000, compound interest is just interest on interest. First year it will be 4,000. Okay, second year it will 4,000 interest and interest on interest. So what will be interest on interest? So 4,000 on 10%, it will 400. Even it will also come from here, come from here, come from here, and also come from here, right? So it is total after calculating we found 13,240. Let's move question number 4. Question number 4. Find the amount of Rs 8,000 in 1/2 means 1.5 years. 8.5% per annum compound interest payable half yearly. This question is look like previous question, right? Find the amount means find amount principal plus compound interest of Rs 8,000. So principal is given 8,000. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Time duration is given 1.5 year, right? So we need what will be amount. So see here, amount just a principal plus compound interest. So we need first what is the compound interest. So let's solve it and find out compound interest. Right here 8,000 and drought. This is a half yearly, so it will be 36 month, right? 1, 2, 3, because in 1.5 years come 36 months, so number of month is 3, so keep here 3, right? And 5% per annum, half yearly will be 2.5%, because half yearly divide 5% by 2, so it will be 2.5%. Now draw 3 lines, 6, 6, 6, 2 and 3. So 2.5% of 8,000 will be in first year. 10% will be 800, 5% will be 400, half of 5% will be 2.5, so 400 half is just 200. Okay, this is the first year. Second year also we 200, but compound interest is interest on interest, so also it will come from 200. This is the interest for compound interest is comes from interest on interest. So what will be 2.5% of 200? So I think 10% will be 20 and 5% will be 10 and 2.5% will be 5, right? So it is a right. Now third year also come 200 and percentage, compound percentage is percent on percent, so also 200 it will come 5, and from here it will come 5, right? And percentage on percentage will be 2.5 of 5%, so it will be 0.125. Now add this area, it will be our compound interest, right? So 200 and 200 it is 600, right? 5 plus 5 plus 5 it is 15 and 0.25, so keep here 1, 2, 5, so add it is 615.125. So we need what is amount. So amount just a principal plus compound interest, right? So 8,000 sorry, and 615.125, so just it is 125.516. So our answer is 8,615.125, right? So thank you friends for watching this video. If you really like, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend and press the bell icon. If you share with any friends, it will be very helpful for me. Thanks.